Hello guys, this is Shravan Kumar. In next class, I promised that I will teach you more and more about another sort of formation. In last class, I taught you about ना पढ़ सकता है, ना पढ़ेगा, ना होगा. Today, as I promised to continue it and to tell more about sentence formation. So today, what sort of sentence formation we are having? Let me tell you. Now we are having पाओगे, पाएगी, पाऊंगा, सकेगा, सकेगी, सकेंगे, सकोगे. Today we are having पाओगे, पाएगी, पाऊंगा, सकेगा, सकेगी, सकेंगे, सकोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे. जब कभी भी सुनोगे गीत मेरे, संग संग तुम भी गुनगुनाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे. See, if we are having this song to express, and if we don't know how to frame the structure of such sentence which is based on पाओगे, पाएगी, पाऊंगा, सकेगा, सकेगी, सकेंगे, सकोगे, shall we be able to express? The answer is no. We shall have to know the formation based on such a structure, and the structure is subject plus shall will plus be plus able plus infinitive plus object. Subject plus shall be plus be plus able plus infinitive plus object. For example, तुम ऐसा कर सकोगे, तुम ऐसा कर सकोगे. You will be able to do so. You will be able to do so. तुम ऐसा कर सकोगे. तुम अंग्रेजी सीख सकोगे, तुम अंग्रेजी सीख सकोगे. You will be able to learn English. You will be able to learn English. Yes, no question. Shall will plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. Yes, no question. Shall will plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. क्या वह ऐसी परिस्थिति में कुछ कर पाएगा क्या वह ऐसी परिस्थिति में कुछ कर पाएगा? व्हाट शैल वी से? विल ही बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग इन सच circumstances? Will he be able to do anything in such circumstances? See, क्या वह ऐसी परिस्थिति में कुछ कर पाएगा? Will he be able to do anything in such circumstances? क्या हम लोग उसके बारे में ऐसा सोच सकेंगे? क्या हम लोग उसके बारे में ऐसा सोच सकेंगे? Shall we be able to think so of him? Think so of him. As I told you that think is followed by preposition of if we are thinking of any person, or think about means विचार करना. I taught you earlier. See here, shall we be able to think so of him, not about him, of him. Is it clear? Now WH question. See, WH question, shall will plus subject plus be plus able plus infinitive plus object then question mark. Example, हम उनको कैसे भुला पाएंगे? हम उनको कैसे भुला पाएंगे? What shall we say? How shall we be able to forget him? वह अपने जीवन में क्या कर सकेगा? वह अपने जीवन में क्या कर सकेगा? What will he be able to do in his life? What will he be able to do in his life? Negative, subject plus shan't, won't plus be plus able plus infinitive plus object. See, subject plus shan't, won't plus be plus able plus infinitive plus object. तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे, wherever such a structure will come, wherever it comes to speak English or the sentences, this structure will be helpful to you. That very time तुम मुझे भुला नहीं पाओगे. So we are having the song, तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे. And what will be the expression? you won't be able to forget me like this. You won't be able to forget me like this. तुम मुझे यूं भुलाना इस तरह नहीं भुला पाओगे. इज इट ओके? हम लोग उससे नहीं निपट पाएंगे. हम लोग उससे नहीं निपट पाएंगे. व्हाट शैल वी से? वी शांट बी एबल टू डील विथ हिम. वी शांट बी एबल टू डील विथ हिम. सी हियर. Is it clear? Now let us proceed. We are having now another formation. ना चाहेगा, ना चाहेगी, ना चाहेंगे, ना चाहोगे, ना चाहूँगा, ना चाहूँगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहूँगा. हम लोग अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहेंगे. सी, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वुड प्लस लाइक प्लस इंफिनिटिव प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. हम आईएएस बनना चाहेंगे. हम आईएएस बनना चाहेंगे. व्हाट शैल वी से? वी वुड लाइक टू बी एन आईएएस. वी वुड लाइक टू बी एन आईएएस. वह इसी साल परीक्षा देना चाहेगा. What shall we say? He would like to take exam this year. He would like to take exam this year. Yes, no question. Would subject plus like plus infinitive plus object plus question mark. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहोगे? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहोगे? What shall we say? Would you like to learn English? Would you like to learn English? क्या वे लोग गाना गाना चाहेंगे? क्या वे लोग गाना गाना चाहेंगे? Would they like to sing a song? Would they like to sing a song? See here. हम आईएएस बनना चाहेंगे. We would like to be an IAS. वह इसी साल परीक्षा देना चाहेगा। ही वुड लाइक टू टेक एग्जाम दिस ईयर। क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहोगे? वुड यू लाइक टू लर्न इंग्लिश? क्या वे लोग गाना गाना चाहेंगे? वुड दे लाइक टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग? हाउ इजी दे आर, डोंट यू थिंक? दे हैव बिकम वेरी इजी। वाई? बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग फॉर्मेशन, you are speaking correct English. See here, now WH question. WH question plus would plus subject plus like plus infinitive plus object, then question mark. See, वह क्या बनना चाहेगा? What shall we say? What would he like to be? What would he like to be? तुम किससे मिलना चाहोगे? तुम किससे मिलना चाहोगे? Whom would you like to? Whom would you like to talk to? Whom would you like to talk to? See, negative subject plus shan't, won't plus like plus, just a minute, subject plus wouldn't plus like plus infinitive plus object. See, subject plus wouldn't plus like plus infinitive plus object. हम उसको वहाँ नहीं ले जाना चाहेंगे। What shall we say? We wouldn't like to take him there. See here, we wouldn't like to take him there. हम कोरोना को देखते हुए बाहर नहीं जाना चाहेंगे। हम कोरोना को देखते हुए बाहर नहीं जाना चाहेंगे। What shall we say? We wouldn't like to go out in view of corona. In view of means को देखते हुए. In view of means को देखते हुए. We wouldn't like to go out in view of corona. We shall stay home as long as corona is eradicated, abolished. जब तक इसे जड़ से समाप्त न कर दिया जाए, we shall stay home or we shall be safe. So this is the message being given by the celebrities. All are giving. So this is why I have also given the message by this example that we wouldn't like to go out in view of corona. So this is the really the contagious period, Sankraman period it is. So in this Sankraman period, what do we have to do? We have to stay at home, or if we are at home, we are safe. And that is why we are giving, the teacher like me are also giving such type of teaching. They are doing really noble work. They must be appreciated, or I can't help appreciating them who have taken such initiative or giving the pious service for the nation, for the welfare of the people. So you are, because you are students, and you are the future of the nation. The future of the country depends upon you. So you have to be safe. You have to be healthy. So let us see. I am given two formation today: पाओगे, सकोगे, and ना चाहेगा, ना चाहेंगी, ना चाहेंगे. And now it is your duty to practice upon them. Keep practicing, or I have given also the tips how to practice on them. Keep thinking, keep writing also, understand, and keep speaking. Where, as I told you, that if you are not having the company, what tips did I give? To keep yourself in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. So till here I am stopping. In next class I will teach you more. Thank you very much.